You're tuning into Linehaul Truck Sales, Dayton, Ohio.
Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Kyle with Linehaul Truck Sales. Today we're in this 2016 Kenworth W900L. And honestly, guys, if I was gonna own a truck, it'd be this one here. Let me show you a little bit about it.
Beautiful Coke red paint. Trucks, LED headlights. Dual stainless breathers. (278-inch wheelbase), 72-inch AeroCab sleeper, Holland air slide fifth wheel with 36-inch rails, Paccar air ride suspension with dump valves, brand new Vigin drive tires, .336 ratio, new stainless mudflap brackets, dual aluminum fuel tanks, (100-gallon tank driver's side, 150-gallon tank passenger side, straight pipe dual stacks, This truck has been fully deleted with a handful of performance parts added. Cummins ISX 525 horsepower, 1850 foot-pounds torque. PDI exhaust manifold, Big Boss turbo, and intake manifold. 20-inch Texas square boxed-in bumper. 670,000 miles, 19,000 hours. Smart wheel with cruise control and jake brake. Full gauge package as well as factory navigation. Eaton Fuller 13-speed. Brand new Legacy Silver driver's seat. Full diamond VIT interior. Full sleeper windows. Refrigerator. Ample storage in this unit to keep you organized while you're on the road. Brought to you by Linehaul Truck Sales. For more information, send us an email, give us a call, or check us out at linehaul.net.